All right, here we are. We got our 2016 Jeep Patriot 2.0 automatic. We're doing a starter. So obviously I took most of this apart. Battery goes here. You're gonna see this cool shroud right here. Remove that. Remove the battery. And then once you remove the battery box, you're gonna have access. You're gonna have a 15 right here. It's gonna be connected with this ground. And then you're gonna have a 15. Oh, I like it. We can see a 15 on the bottom right there. If you have a short 3/8 ratchet with a stubby socket, you're gonna be fine. And then the starter's right here. I already took it out. And you're gonna have this unit. It's right here, and then you have this little, where is it? This guy. Don't rip it out without this. This is you're gonna pinch this thing. It's real easy. They're real fragile. It's a Chrysler. Thing will fall apart on you. So you're gonna squeeze this and then pull this out. All right. And then once you do that, your starter should be free. Here, I haven't took this out of the. Let's see if it gets stuck on you. There it is. Uh-oh, look what we found in there. And that's it. And then, what's this made at? Mitsubishi Electric, Chrysler Corporation. Okay. This doesn't say where it's made at. Automotive America, USA. There you go. Good deal. So then we're gonna reverse the process, and you should be good to go. Starter, cable, solenoid, and then battery box. It's pretty simple. So hopefully you get it. Best of luck.